How much can someone realistically earn using PPC skills? How much can you realistically be earning using PPC skills? It really depends to defining your skill. So are you a junior? Are you an intermediate? Are you a strategist? Most of the time what I'm seeing is that Amazon expert is not a definition of whatever the skill requires. Amazon expert is just a blank statement. So where are you currently in your journey? Are you someone doing great in following training processes, steps, someone else's strategy? Then for a junior role, you're going to ask way less than for an intermediate role. An intermediate already is able to create the processes themselves, to train people who are just starting out, to think of reporting and the current strategies that you're using for the account, how would they fit within whatever needs to be done and prioritized. And the way how I'm describing an advanced Amazon PPC manager, this is a person who sees in the future, who knows that for me to making sure that I'm going to have and keep the same performance, I need X amount of inventory. For me to increase sales, I need more of the creatives that work, more of the strategies that we have been tossing around and they are working, but we are not duplicating the same strategy and so on. So this person sees in the future and is able to step back and see, okay, how we're going to apply that, when are we going to apply it, and which are the things we should not be applying. So as you see, these are three different skills that you cannot ask for the same price for that. And based on that, when I started charging for Amazon ads, I charged way too little just because I was still a junior. I did not even follow any SOPs or so on. Technically follow the step-by-step course on how to sell on Amazon. And it was a private label product, how to create your own brand. So technically my knowledge was very small, but I was confident in, hey, I want to practice this. I want to make the reps. So based on that, yeah, I charged $500 for full account management 6 years ago, something like that. So if someone is going to charge you right now that amount for full account management, I would say be aware, because those are the skills that you are going to get.